This video answers the query how to buy shares of Billerud AB publ and shows a practical step-by-step example. Billerud is a Swedish paper and packaging company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker BILL.ST, and this clip is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an illustrative example to show the process. After signing up, you'll be asked to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BILL.ST to find the correct stock. Confirm the listing matches Billerud AB publ and select it from the results. On the stock page, review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart to ensure this is the right asset. Check the issuer name, market CBOE EU, and ticker BILL.ST before proceeding. Choose the invest or buy option, enter the amount you wish to allocate, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once confirmed, your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings section where you can monitor it. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.